let's see how we can create viral shorts from other videos. Choose a video from YouTube and go to opus.pro website. They offer you 2 free upload hours valid for 30 days. Here, we will paste the link and click Get Clips for free. Depending on the video you choose, it will show you in how much time the clips will be generated. As the site mentions, this tool works the best for videos that are conversion-driven, single-speaker videos, and longer than 15 minutes. Once this is done processing, we will have the videos ready with captions, emojis, and so much more. You can edit the clip in terms of captions colors. You can select the video layout from fill, fit, or split, aspect ratio, and so on. You even have the video title generated for you. Now, simply click Download HD and upload it to YouTube or any other social media platform you want. Should you opt to subscribe to the website, they also have an auto post feature.